might have found a wig that looks good with no leave out in real life, not just on the internet. I'm not gonna send my subscribers off. So if you saw the material and now you want to get into the tea, then let's get into this video. Alright, so let's get down to business. The hair that we are working with today is from HerGivenHair. The textures are real cute. Let's get into it. So I have an 18-inch 3B3C curly bye-bye leave-out thin part wig. It's a V-part, girl, but a little better constructed. We're gonna get into that. Hold on. Now, I selected her in the natural color, even though she does come in 1B as well. My hair is a more natural brown color. I don't have any color on my hair, any treatments on my hair, none of that. It's just virgin hair, I guess. So I stuck to the natural color. And I opted to add in the drawstring in the back. I personally prefer a drawstring over an elastic band, but it still did come with one. So if you want to use it, I don't tussle in my wigs, so I don't need all that. I don't know what you got. But that's your business. I just don't personally need it. Now, she was really cute out the box. The cap construction is gorgeous. She has clips around the part, combs in the front, a comb in the back, and the drawstring, like I said. So we're about to get into that real soon. But heavy on the butt because your girl been outside. So I wanted to do most of the prep off of my head. Yeah, like that. I want to keep my hair done as long as possible. I'm gonna pop her on real quick and we pop it back out. So to start on the styling off my head, I went ahead and cut some layers in the front. I did a couple snips in the back, nothing too crazy, but for the most part, I kept the layers in the front. I just wanted it to have a nice face framing situation going on. Babe, and I'm gonna hold your hand when I say this. Give me your hand. Cut that damn wig. If I see one more person outside with that damn mop hair, and I don't care if you ordered 18, 20, 22, and it's got layers already, look at her goddamn hair. Y'all be making me mad. But all jokes aside, I get it. The hair is an investment, but you invested to look a certain way. So commit to the bit, babe. Especially for a wig. I can see with your bundles being a little scared to cut them, but with a wig, you're gonna take it off, put it back on in that same spot. Cut them layers. Don't upset me now. So after I cut the layers, I went ahead and shampooed the hair with this L'Oreal Everpure Glycolic Shine shampoo and conditioner. I love it. It smells really good. I actually used it on my natural hair as well. That's why my hair is in this little, she tucked up because she wet a little bit. She a little moist. So I use it on my natural hair, wigs, extensions, all of that. I actually do like it. It's very moisturizing, and I tend to lean towards it when I don't have a lot of time to condition, because even if I leave it in for 2 or 3 minutes, it still makes a noticeable difference on my hair. I will give them that. And it's supposedly sulfate free, all that jazz. I didn't read the ingredients, but I like it, so I will link it down below. And then I went in while it was still wet after shampooing and conditioning it with a little bit of the Dew foaming mousse. That's always linked down below. I'll be tearing that up. Again, the Dew. Holler at y'all, girl. I use the products in every video. I buy the products. I bought multiples of the products. Help me help you. I put the Dew foaming mousse in there, used a detangling brush to get the curls nice and juicy in a couple of layers. I didn't go hard like I would do with my natural hair, but I did take it in a couple of little layers, work my way to the top, and then I let her air dry. And now she's looking real cute. Let me show you her. Yes. Oh, that shampoo smells so good. But you can't really see the layers. You're gonna see it better when it's on my head, but the curls are very juicy, yes. With all that being said, the extensions are ready. My hair, personally, it's in a situation. It's in a bind. It's in a bind. I've been saying I'm gonna cut my hair over and over and over again. My ends are, I don't even wanna talk about it, babe. I don't even wanna talk about it. I see a bob in my very near future. But this is my hair, freshly washed. My little piece of curl pattern left. I'm out here bad, y'all. We gotta get this wig on snap. But no, all jokes aside, I'm excited to cut my hair. I think I'm gonna really enjoy a shorter cut. I don't really care about the heat damage because I'm in my heat styling era. And hair is like paint to me. It's just something to play with. I don't really get too serious about it, girl. So this is she. And like I said, I gotta go outside. So let's get into this install. First things first, I definitely want a middle part. And I'm trying a new technique for this style with no leave out. So child, wish me luck. So first I need to get my little middle part together. Maybe I'll show y'all both. Maybe I'll show you with no leave out and with leave out. And then on my hand, promise, you're gonna tell me which one you like better at the end. And I want honesty. I cannot talk and part my hair at the same time, child. I would rather do my eyebrows on camera. This is a scary thing. Right. So I got my hair parted down the center as best as I can. I got a little fat scalp. She be moving, so hey, I did my best. So now I'm just going to pull my hair back and twist her up. I ain't got time for a braid down today, babes. And my hair is also still wet, and I don't want to blow dry it because the style I'm doing later this week, first of all, y'all are going to, y'all gonna be so excited. But the style I'm doing later this week, I don't really need my hair to be stretched out in any capacity, and I just don't want to put unnecessary heat on it. I keep complaining about split ends, and quite frankly, to me personally, the blow dryer is more detrimental to your hair than a flat iron, and I blow dry my hair quite frequently. So I just want to give her a little break. So I'm popping her in a cute little twist, and we're gonna go from there. Quite frankly, quiet as it's kept. I be swearing I don't have no curl pattern left, but I do. She cute. I just don't wear my hair a lot. And it's not, I love my hair, don't get me wrong. I love being a black girl. I love my hair. To be honest, I like curlier, kinkier textures than my natural hairs. I don't know. I just love weave, okay? It's fun. I want to play in it. I like touching it. I like the textures. I'm having a ball. I don't got time for no judgment. But I literally wear weave and extensions all the time. And when people finally see my hair, they like, girl. And I'll be like, girl. So I'm gonna take this wig cap and place it over the back of my hair and tuck all this jazz up in there. Granted, this is a curly wig, so I'm taking a couple liberties now because they really don't require too much. So I'm just slide that back. You don't want it showing. I just need it to like, it's giving Handmaid's Tale. It's giving under his eye. Let's do something so it don't give that, because the US is starting to give that in general. Let's not actually. That was funny when it wasn't a thing that could possibly happen. Let's not even play like that. Where are my damn scissors? I gotta use my craft scissors. But essentially the wig comes connected. It comes connected right here. I can't pull this apart. So I gotta cut this little piece so we can actually install her. All right, now she's ready. I'm excited. First of all, let me see if I push my little cap back far enough. Yes. All right, I'm going to pop open these combs. There's two on either side and then one in the back. This is a game changer. I don't think I have many wigs with a comb right here. I haven't worn a V-part in a while, so I don't know if this is common practice these days. I've been in my half wig era, but I really like the idea of a comb in the back. I just think that would ease so much tension on your edges and just overall help everything stay in place. I like that a lot. I'm not gonna make these super tight because with the V part, if you make the adjustable straps super tight, sometimes it'll drag your part apart. And for the style that I'm doing today, I need her to have a little wiggle room. So let's slide her on like so, like such. And I'm trying to sit the wig as close to my natural part as humanly possible. And now I'm just gonna put the combs along the front in a place that will kind of support where I place the hair around the part. I was a little worried I went too hard on the layers because I did it off my head, but they actually came out cute. It's giving Rick James right now, but when I fluff it out, it's gonna be real cute. I can feel it. Right now, this part looked like Moses did it, so we gotta do something about that. I'm not here for that. Tighten up my little drawstring. Let's get down to business. Now, for the no leave out install, I actually think I need to bring this part a little closer in because ain't no teasing in the world gonna fix that, y'all. You really want to place it as close to the part as possible for this to look good. Better. Got it. Now, I'm going to grab some hair from here, separate it out, and we're going to just back comb it like a lot. And see, it covered up the part. I did this side. I haven't done this side yet, so you can see the difference. And then I also want to get a little piece in the back and get the back together. And now you can individually go in and separate the ringlets of the hair. I ain't got time for that. And I like big hair. So I'm just going in and fluffing everything out, getting some air in between the curls. I'm loving this little bang vibe that I got going on with the layers. It's kind of cute. I like it a lot. What do we think? This is the no leave out. Am I tweaking? Or did y'all hear that? What do we think? I think she's cute. All right, this is no leave out. And I'm not gonna lie, that's kind of crazy. What? Hello? Goodbye. Usually, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not really a no leave out girl, because I haven't seen it in a while and I have not been a fan. But this one actually I think looks nice. What do you think? I think she's cute. Now let's see what we think with a little bit of leave out. Just a kiss, a little. I don't know if I'm taking this wig off. I kind of want to wear it like this, I'm not gonna lie, because now I don't have to worry about blending or my curl pattern being different. Because like I said, this is a little curlier than my natural hair, and that's a lot to have to be trying to figure out. So I'm kind of enjoying it as is. I really like the length. I think it looks super natural. Sometimes the length adds to it looking natural, because I think if this was super duper long, you would side-eye it a little bit more. But I think because of the length and the cut, I can believe it's not butter. You know what I mean? I like it. All right, let's see. With a little bit of leave out, do we like it a bit better? Maybe we will. I don't know, truly. It's an adventure. Choose your own adventure. Now, like I said, I'm just leaving out. When I tell you I'm leaving out 2 pinches of hair, they said thin part wig. Baby, you ain't gotta tell me twice. I follow directions I want to follow, and that's a direction I would like to follow. I'm talking about I'm leaving out a slither, a small slither of hair. I just want enough to give part. That's it, and that's all. I ain't got time to tussle. I need something where it's like my homegirls call me, hey, they got hookah. Oh! You know what I mean? I need that in my life. I don't got no time for no drama, baby. I am Mary J. Blige to the bullshit. I ain't got time. This little ass piece of leave out is actually kind of funny, but I'm trying to see something real quick. Because they said thin part. I'm here for the girls. If the part can't be thin, then goddamn, we gonna find out today. Because don't be lying to my friends, my homegirls. I don't like that. So when they say thin part, baby, honey, we finna see. I'll be the judge of that. I will be the judge of that. Simple as that. Thank you. I'm actually gonna place the combs first, because I feel like I always end up readjusting the clips around the part anyway. So let's just get the combs together and we'll deal with that when we get there. All right, so let's get this as close to the part as possible. Right, now we got my little hair in the middle, part her down the center. Oh, the girls meant what they said, because that looks kind of cute. Even my hair is, I didn't even make my hair curly, but because it's so little hair out, it's literally, where is it? Hold on, friend. Okay, HerGivenHair, y'all might be on to something. I was a little suspect, I'm not gonna lie. That's why I saved the with leave out demonstration for last, because baby, I wasn't sure about the no leave out situation, but maybe I was wrong, child. Now I'm giving it a little back comb again, just because it couldn't hurt. And now we gotta define the curls on our little leave out. This little pinch of leave out is cracking me up. Girl, that's funny. Let's see if my hair wanna act right today. Probably not, but it's worth a try. I'm gonna go in with the Dew foaming mousse on my natural hair as well to give us some definition. I'm not even going on the roots. I like the roots a little puffy for this look. I think it gives a lot better coverage since we are not doing much leave out to begin with. So hopefully, pull little curls up top, just sad. But hopefully they give us a little piece of something so it blends a little. Because it's wet and we can see it, you can see it, but for the most part, it's just doing its own little thing. I like that. All right, I'm gonna wait for my natural hair to dry so we can get the final look with the leave out, but so far, I think it's cute. All right, this is the hair with a little bit of leave out, and I think it looks gorgeous. I think it's blending beautifully. Get into it, what do you think? Y'all will be the judge of that, but I think it's blending beautifully. It's cute! And also, bonus points, because this is also blending really cute. Because I have my hair just slicked back, it's giving when the wind blows. Hold on, friend. It's looking cute. This is my hair right here. And it's just getting in where it fit in. I like that for me. I want my little bangs to show though. There we go. I'm Rick James, bitch. Hey. I think the wig is cute. If you ask me, it's 10s across the board. I actually want to get another one in a slightly longer length. The texture is perfect. I love how the curls dried. I have lots of definition, but I also have some volume. The cap construction is cute. I have no complaints. I think she's beautiful. And the quality of the hair is also really nice. Because sometimes you get into the kinkies and the curlies and you get a little maddened. So I didn't experience that, and I'm happy about that. If you want a follow-up video, just let me know. Sometimes you guys really like certain wigs, so maybe I can do like a video following up in general on what my favorite wigs are that I've ever had, stuff like that. Let me know, give me some ideas. So far, so good. I love this hair. She's really cute. I think it looks nice and natural. To be honest, it kind of looks the same to me, whether you have leave out or no leave out. I feel a little bit more comfortable with a little bit of leave out because just somebody out of my face, I don't, but it did look good with no leave out. And you can check my channel, babe. I don't play them no leave out games, like all the crocheting and because it looked cute on camera. And I've seen some of y'all in real life. I'm not finna send my subscribers off. So if I'm saying it looks good with no leave out, it actually looks good with no leave out. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you're subscribed. We are so close to 100K, please. It's been a long time coming, please help your girl out. I love you so much. Share this video if you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, Bookie.